How to download Alternate Watch on your PC. First thing first, open up any web browser you have and then simply on the search bar, search for Alternate Watch. Hit enter and you'll see this link right here. Go ahead and open this link, Alternate Watch by Tesseron. And once you open it up, you'll be taken to the game's website. Now you're going to have to read through all of these to see its features and its requirements. And here is a download button, which is 844 MB. So this is for Windows. So if you want a newer version, you could download the first one, or if you want the older version, you could do that as well. So let me just go ahead and click on this download button right here. And once you do that, you'll find it is being downloaded right here. Just wait for it to download completely, and once it's downloaded, you can just simply go ahead and unzip this file, and you'll find the games folder right inside. Now you can start playing right away. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.